In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Confluence page. We'll cover two common situations: bringing back a page you deleted and rolling a page back to an earlier version if recent edits went wrong. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can recover your work with confidence. First, let's get you into Confluence. Open your browser and go to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account and on the left panel, select the space that contains your page. Choosing the right space is important, especially if your organization has similar page names across multiple spaces. If you deleted the page and need to restore it from trash, start inside that space. Click the three dots next to your space name to open the space menu, then choose Space Settings. In the left panel within Space Settings, open the Content tab and select Trash. You'll see a list of deleted pages. Scan the list to locate the one you want, then click Restore next to its name. Confluence puts the page back where it was before, including any child pages that were deleted with it. If you don't see Trash or the Restore option, it likely means you don't have the required permissions, and a space admin will need to do the restore for you. Also keep in mind that trash may be cleared after a retention period set by your admins, so it's best to restore sooner rather than later. If the page still exists but the content isn't right, you can revert it to a previous version. Navigate to the page you want to fix. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open More Actions, then select Version History. You'll see versions labeled with numbers, dates, and author names. Review the list and choose the version you want to return to, then click Restore this version. Confluence rolls the page back to that content. This action doesn't erase history, it creates a brand new version that contains the older content, so you can always move forward or back again later if needed. After restoring from trash or reverting via version history, refresh the page and skim through it to confirm everything looks correct. If your site is very active, it's a good practice to communicate with your team so they know the page has been restored or rolled back. That's it. You've learned how to restore a deleted Confluence page from trash and how to revert a page to an earlier version when edits go off track. Thanks for watching.